Hey guys, welcome back. Last time we saw how this Sonoff basic smart switch worked, and we tested it with our Google Home, and it worked quite well. I'm actually very impressed by how China can ship something like this for $5 or $6 and have it very reliable, awesome, and safe. Well, not entirely safe, but barely safe enough to not let you burn down your house. So I was very intrigued into what goes inside this thing, so I opened one up, and what we're gonna do today is I'm just gonna go through the components, kind of show you guys how a smart switch is made. So once you manage to pry it open, you'll see inside is just one single PCB board, and it's got components on both sides. Let's go through the easy components first. This one is our push button that is extended out of the switch right here. This one is our LED light, which is kind of gives us the status of our switch. These two are the inputs and the outputs, 2 wires each, and these are some pretty thick traces of wire that if we turn our switch, we see that these are really bulky, really thick wires, because these are carrying about 10 amperes, so they have to be big. There's a lot of solder on there. What else have you got on this? This is the fuse, and this is the guy which is doing the switching. This is the relay, and it's just like any other basic relay that we've been using in our projects. Nothing really special to it. There's a transistor of some sort, but I'm not able to see what it is. Then there's this little transformer. I think this is the primary coil and the secondary coil, and that's pretty much all we have on this side. What we got on this side, I think, is this is the high power side, obviously, and then this is the low power side. What's interesting here is that this guy is the same chip that we use on our ESP8266 devices and our WeMOS and whatnot. That's interesting because you can make a switch like this with basically an ESP chip and a relay. That's all it takes. But these guys have made it much safer. See, it's well spaced out. It comes in what I would like to believe in a very safe box, which should be fireproof to some degree. It is certified by ROHS. We discussed this last time. Certified by the European standard, CE. It's not got any UL certification or anything like that, but that's okay. The stuff that I make is definitely less safer than this stuff, so I prefer this switch over the stuff that I make. So yeah, what I was saying is this is interesting because they have left the header pins open for the ESP chip. That means you can go ahead and tinker with this device, and there's a lot of people who have hacked their Sonoff Smart switches and done all sorts of DIY stuff with it. Yeah, that's pretty much all there is. This is the antenna for the ESP module. This is the little antenna that communicates with your Wi-Fi, and all in all, I think they've done a pretty good job. I love these things. I know there are privacy issues. They ask for your phone number for every device, and you don't know whether to trust a Chinese company or not, but hey, I guess that's the price you have to pay. So if you would like to see a tutorial and a review of this, check my previous videos, and I'll leave a link below if you'd like to get your hands on this. It's a pretty handy switch, pretty good, works very well, very easy to use, and only about $5 to $6. So yeah, thank you for watching, and keep fungineering, stay safe, and I'll see you guys next time.